Hi, this is Saskia from Paper and Journaling, and thanks for watching. And today we're going to create this lovely folders, pockets, whatever you want to call it, for in your journal, in your junk journal, in a letter. And I didn't cover the back, but that's always what you can do. They're very easy to create, and what you need is an envelope, a simple envelope. And I like to work with envelopes because they're always so solid, so firm. You can do whatever you want, but they don't tear very fast. And you can create an own envelope as a basement, but it's always, you know, they're always they're not so solid as these ones. And as you see, there is one half a bit bigger than the other half, but you will see why. And I'm so glad I just used glue to close it, because they taste awful. I mean, they're really awful. I mean, it's so stupid. They can taste. Nowadays you can get everything in every flavor you want to, but you can never buy envelopes with a normal taste. I mean, you never get orange or strawberry envelopes or something like that. Always in an awful taste. I think there is a sadist working in those factories, something like that, but okay. As you see, I cut it something from above, and now I'm going to ink it so that it's a little bit more clean, and I'm going to use orange because spring is coming and I want to give it not such a dramatic look. But I created them as in vintage colors as well, and that's very nice as well. This is for the top, and this is the size of the envelope. So if you're going to cut, don't cut on the lines, but cut in the lines, then it will fit perfectly. So if you're cutting, you see still the lines on the paper, and look. Oh, it's perfectly. Oh, if my mother could see it, then she would be proud of me. I was a very bad student in primary school with this kind of creating things. I was very bad in that. I'm still not very handy in it. When I'm going to cut things or something like that, I'm very good in not cutting straight. That's if you get a grade for that, then it would be a perfect 10 for me. And what we're going to do, the rest of the envelope is the second pocket, so that will go like this. And we're going to create that, of course. Oh, now it doesn't want to come out. Oh, they're still loving each other, because there were once one part. Well, now my fantasy is going to walk away with me, and we're going to do the same thing with this one. We're going to circle everything around, but that's the size of the envelope. So then we have to create it a little bit smaller as well. And what did I do wrong? Oh, I had the envelope on the wrong side. Yes, that's possible, huh? And sometimes you have to cut a little bit more and then ink everything together. And I always need pockets for stickers, for papers, for I don't know, and I like them just so much as well. I think it's just, I love paper. That's the feeling of paper. I like writing, just ordinary writing, letters, things like that. And now we're going to glue it together. I only glue on this back side, and as I told you, you can cover that as well, but in this case I'm going to glue that in my traveler's notebook, so you won't see a thing of it. And then we have two nice lovely folders, and I put a nice sticker on top of it, but you can decorate it as many as you want to. And this is a folder where the pockets are on the right side. Yeah, it's closed on the left side. I would tuck it in at the first page, but there was already something, so I'm going to glue that in over here. But if you make the other side bigger, then you get the opening, of course. At the other side, that's also possible. Oh, before I forget, don't forget to subscribe and to like my video. I would appreciate that. And now I have a space for some extra stickers and some extra ladies. And that's it. As easy as it is. And I hope to see you next time, and I wish you a very pleasant day. Bye bye!